Hi, I'm Steve Kinne with the Kinne Group at Compass. Welcome to 1821 Wroxton. It's a partnership between TKT Building and Mike Malstead at Compass. The Kinne Group is holding an open house this weekend. We want to see you. If you can't make it, call us for a private showing. Let's check this place out. Nearly 5,000 square feet, new construction in the middle of Southampton Place. You're gonna love this home. Check out this formal living, built-in gas log fireplace. Check out the light fixtures here. Bright windows, lots of natural light in this place. Come over here to the formal dining room. Plenty of room for big seating. Once again, lots of bright lighting. Now you're gonna love this home. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. This is one of the most exquisite houses you're gonna check out. Over 500 bottles of wine can fit in this wine cellar, wine display more likely. We've got European white oak flooring here and throughout. Got iron balusters, real iron balusters, not the ones that they piece together. Have you noticed this double diamond plaster on the wall? You've got to see it to appreciate it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Not your ordinary drywall. The builder's taken every extra effort he can to make this home truly a showpiece. Check out this marble island kitchen. You're gonna love the amount of counter space you have in here. Cabinets for days and days and days. And of course, your top of the line kitchen appliance package. Standard built-in Thermador side by side. Love it. Now I wanted to show you this closer in. Of course, we've got our beverage cooler. We've got our wine cooler. Over 500 bottles. I counted 538. Don't hold me to that, but that's a lot of wine. As you see, we got 2 different coolers. We got glass display, custom tile work, custom marble work. You're gonna love it. And you're gonna love this wide open layout. Your friends are over there, your friends are over here. Ease of communication between living and kitchen and breakfast area. And look at the view of the exterior. Check out the brick patio. You don't see that everywhere. Let's check out this patio and backyard. You've got a 6,000 square foot lot in Southampton. Plenty of room back here to hang out and party. Room for your pets. Expansive mud room with plenty of storage out back. Cubbies down below. And of course, an entry or exit to the back patio. Exit to the garage right in back. And in case you're wondering, this home is elevator ready if you need. If you need. Let's go check out the upstairs. Once again, the European white oak is carried throughout the home, upstairs and down. You're gonna love the look and feel of this home even more in person than you are on video. You're gonna love the extra wide hallways up here. Check this out. Almost double wide hallways. You've got a spacious game room to relax in, right off the laundry, right off the master. You got your laundry room in here. Of course, your built-in sink and lots of storage and hanging. Right off your master. No going up and down to do the laundry anymore. Come check out this master bathroom. I'm not gonna say anything here. We've got 4 bedrooms upstairs and 4 full baths. Everybody has their own bath in this home. Of course, the half bath downstairs. You're gonna love this wet bar. Check this out. You've got this huge marble countertop. Of course, you've got your sink. More than 500 bottles of wine can be stored here. We've got a drink cooler underneath. And of course, we've got a wine chiller underneath. Let's get you something to drink. What would you like? Come on.